Hello everyone, welcome to the coding school. In this video, we are going to solve a coding question which was asked on 27 October 2020 in slot first. First, we will see the problem statement of the coding question, and after that, we will solve the coding question. Let's see the problem statement. So our statement is display sequence of Fibonacci series until the number given by user and count total even number and odd number is that series expect 0. Fibonacci series should start with 1. As we know that very well, a Fibonacci series start from 0, but according to this problem condition you will have to start from 1. Total count of even number should be displayed in the first row and odd number should be displayed in the next row. Now according to this point, you will have to print in the first line, in the first row a even number, and in the second row a odd number. And now a number given by user of Fibonacci series should be greater than 5 and less than or equal to 20. Otherwise it will display it is a invalid input. If a user enter 3, then it is also given output like a invalid input. It will user given 21, then also it will print it is a invalid input. If number given by user is space, character or empty display, if a user given by this type of input, then it will also through this type of output. It is a invalid input. For example, you can see a first test case. If user given 7 input, then the output will be like this. It will print first series, and after that it will print the number of count of even number, and in the second row it will print the number of count of odd number. So for better understanding, we see the explanation for it. Now you can see that we have declared some data type with some variable. We initialize the value of a and b initially 1 and odd by 2. And first of all, we have to take an input with the help of scanf. Now in the number, we have to take an input from the user. For example, we have taken 7 input. Now we will come in the if condition and we will check number means 7 greater than 5. This condition is true, and number less than equal to 20, it means a 7 less than equal to 20. This condition also true. If this condition will be false, we will come in the else part. Directly we will print it is a invalid input, but this is our condition is true. Now we will come in the if part. Now first we will print the value of a and b, and first we will print the two value, and we will have to print the series from 1 to 7 terms. Now 2 terms we already printed, therefore we will decrease the number by 2. And first we will executed loop, and the value of I will be 1 initially, and we will check the condition, this condition true, and we will decrease the number by 2 initially, because we have already printed 2 terms, and it will be I increment. And we will come in the 4 parts, and we will first in the C we will add the value of a and b. We will add initially the value of a and b is 1 1. We will add in the C, the value will be 2, and a is equal to b and b is equal to c. Now in the C variable, the value will be 2. Then again we will print the value of C. As we know that very well, the value of C is a 2. Then we will print it is a 2. First we print 1 1, and now we will print 2. First we print 1 1, now we will print 2. And here we will also check it is a even or odd. We will check by modulus operator. If C will be even, then we will increase by 1. If else it will be a odd number, we will increase by 1 the odd number. But this the value of C initially 2 is even number, therefore we increase a even number by 1. And this for loop executed continuously according to our condition. If the condition of the for loop will be false, then we will terminate from the loop and we will come the outside of the loop, and now we will print the value of even and odd. Now the what is the even value and what is the odd value, we will in the last we will print the values, and the program will be end. And Now we run this program, we compile and run this program. And first input we have given according to our problem statement. If we given a 7 input, then the output according to our problem statement. If we given other input, if given 4 and other, for example, again we run this. If we given 4, then it will say it is an invalid input because it is not matching from our criteria. So you can see also here we have to operate loop from greater than 5 or less than equal to 20. If we enter again, if we enter 21, it is also say it is a invalid input because it is not matching from our condition. If we again run this program, if we say if we take a 9 input, if it will print, it will given a our series and it is given number of even number, it will give a number of odd number. If you have any problem to understanding this series coding question, you can comment me below in the comment section. As soon as possible I will give you solution. If you want a more coding question related to TCS NQT, which is recently asked in the TCS NQT, and if you want a more material of other of different type companies, then you can visit our website www.prepdrive.in. And if you feel this video is beneficial for you, then share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.